Hi guys, I'm Harris with WTI and I have this vitamin C for my face. I enjoy using this product after taking a shower or cleansing my face before bedtime, allowing it to work overnight. I find that a small amount is sufficient for me. I apply a bit and then gently spread it over my face with my fingertips, ensuring that every part is adequately covered. This product helped me reduce dark spots on my face and boosts collagen, resulting in firmer and smoother skin. So, I make an effort to incorporate it into my routine. I love that it comes in this dropper, making it easy to dispense the right amount and avoid any product wastage. I enjoy the process of applying it to my face gently until it's fully absorbed. And I like using this vitamin to keep my skin looking beautiful. And this is my point of view.